Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add tax information in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the explore page where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on profile. And then in this section we find taxes under the settings section. We tap on it, and then at the top we find add tax info. We can tap on this and then select from this list where we are to get started. So like this, and tap on continue, and here it might not be available for you, but if you're from the United States or European Union, it's going to be okay. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.